Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Jay Roberts and this is my channel Make Money with Video, where I also show you how to make money with printables and KDP. Today's video we're going to look at my Etsy earnings. So this is a video basically for an Etsy video for beginners. So let's look into it. Now if you're new here, like I said, this is my channel. I make videos about making money with different video creation tools as well as KDP and printables. Now I'm really getting into the printables. I've not long been doing it, but feel free to come check them out. Let's have a look at my Etsy earnings. Now this is for all time. I have made so far this amount, and it's 44 orders so far. Now you might be thinking that's not much. That's true at all. That is true. But look, every day I'm making orders, guys, over the last 30 days. So all together, and I've only been doing it a year. Let's have a look at the stats. Let's say from all time. Here we are. So look, I created my store in February this year, 2021, and I weren't getting many visits. I didn't have many like uploads and that. Then all of a sudden I invested a little bit of money into this program I'm going to show you, and look at this, guys, skyrocketed. Now the app is called Crispy Prints, and I will leave the link in the description so you can check it out. It shows you basically learn how to make and sell printables online, and you've got all these different videos and tutorials, and helps you on Etsy, helps you on Pinterest, helps you if you want to make your own site, Same with case studies and stuff like that, guys. But this is how easy it is. Now I'm going to show you the Xmas bundle because that's what I'm currently selling at the moment. You've got all these different games. There's 14 games, different Christmas games here, right? So you can click on one, but what you do first, you grab the template, right? And the answer keys, if you need the answer keys for the game. So you download the template, then you come over to Canva and you upload it, and this is the template what you download. And this is how I do it. I create another page like this, I come over to Elements, and I'll show you how simple it is. I come here, and I'll just, let's get it correctly, and I basically just fill in this box here. You'll see why in a minute. Copy it, paste it, right? You can delete that now. And then what you want a background. So you want, I don't know the type. Look, I've already done it once. So you're looking for backgrounds. I'll put Christmas backgrounds. Let's see if this one works. You see how it's like that, But what you want, I'm going to turn this to white. You'll see why in a minute. Right, and if you don't want that background, you don't think it suits it, you can choose a red one if you want. But let me just change something actually. I want free ones, static ones, I don't want to get in trouble off copyright. Like for instance, this one. Oh, it's not doing it. That one. That one I'll do it. No. Or maybe that red one. So you see how it changes there. We'll just use this one for the sake of this video. Or what about this one here? This funky one. We'll use that one. Right. Then what you need, come back up here. You need like a character or a theme here. So let's just which one? What should we use? Christmas tree. We'll use a Christmas tree. So you place it in the box, but you want it to fit inside the box. We'll see why in a minute. Then I copy it, and I paste it here. As you can see, here's one I made as well. Another one I made. But then what I'll do is download this. So I only want the first page. So page 2, download. Then you come back over to Crispy Prints. once it downloads, I'll show you. I'm just going to drag it into this little box here. Yeah. And it should, yeah. So it's uploaded now. Then you can choose what color you want your type, like your text and like your fonts. So we'll have it red, a Christmas red, yeah. Yeah. Then you click which games you want. But for sake of this video, I'm just gonna I'll just click on 2. So we'll do a would you rather, and we'll do a what's on your Christmas tree. Yeah. No, I don't want to. You can click that if you want to select them all. So you're just going to wait a couple of seconds, a couple of minutes. If you do all 14, it's going to take longer, obviously. You don't press off this screen, by the way. It'll do it. But you can come over to Canva and you can make more while you're waiting, and then it'll pop up. But we'll just wait for the sake of this. Should only be a couple more seconds, guys. Here we go. Yeah. So look, here's our background we made. These are the red thing here, and look, here's our Christmas tree. So here's a game straight away. Would you rather? Let me just shorten it so you can see it properly. Yeah. Yeah. So here's your would you rather. Let me just get rid of that. So you can change these different backgrounds. You can change these. Obviously, your thing. And here's what's on your Xmas tree. Yeah, and that's how simple it is, guys. And then if you come back over here and you want to promote on Etsy, you can just write in like a little thing like sample or something like that, yeah. And create your bundle again. But then you can come over here and you can make, you can easily change the background, yeah. If you want that. Some of them don't work. I don't know why they don't work like. Sorry, guys, I don't know why it's not working. Yellow one, yeah. So you could make a yellow one. You could make, I don't know, something much yellow, basically. Right, here we go. And look, it puts sample over it, so then people can't copyright. Some people can't just steal your work, yeah, because it's easy to just copy that, isn't it? But if you've got sample written on it, nobody's gonna want to buy that, yeah. That is how simple it is. You can make lots of different backgrounds, lots of different ideas, and then you can come over to here and then you can select them all, create the bundles, and then sell each bundle, or you can sell each individual game each. Yeah, and let me just show you a very popular one of mine. Let me just unselect them all. I think it's. Oh, this one here, roll to decorate, yeah? Select it. Oh, so do that and then create bundle, yeah? And this one is selling daily for me. It's a very good one, guys. Now, I'll show you on Christmas prints in a minute. Yeah, this one, they like this one, guys, because look, they roll a dice and then they colour it themselves. Kids love it. But let me show you something. You might be thinking, well, if they're not going to dice, what are they going to do? Well, if you come over to Crispy Prints, yeah, look, you can even create a dice. So you can create a dice. What's like yes or no, traditional dice with the ones. Yeah, here you go. XOs if they want to do like noughts and crosses. That's how easy it is, guys. You can make dice as well, and that's through Crispy Prints. You can make shower bundles like your baby showers. You've got your busy book bundles. You've got your dice prints. You've got your flag banners, S-tail banners, road trip games, which are very popular, and your Xmas bundle and your sticker prints. Yeah, and you can make central pages if you need to. There's a support group. Contact us. But some of these guys are in the upgrade. But in the front end, you get a lot of stuff. But I wanted the Xmas bundle, which is an upgrade, a one-time offer. But yeah, guys, like I said, there's all these different tutorials, and it's very worth it, guys. It's very cheap, and then you can print them out. You don't have to be an expert. Like I said, it's for beginners. And look, I'm making sales daily, and it's since I got this, they started to shoot up. Now, check it out, guys. The link's in the description. And if you want to learn any more about Etsy, feel free to come and check out some others, what I've showed you, and I've got some other prints that I'm showing you. Yeah. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Till next time. Goodbye.